In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. By selecting an app you wanna use in this view, like Gallery, and launching it in the background. Now tap on the icon of it available at the top and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold it by this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. You can even reshape it. If you wanna, you can click on this line at the top and check out all of those options. By clicking on this X, you will close your window completely. By tapping on a second icon, which is this arrow, you will use your app in full screen view. By tapping on two arrows pointing at each other, you will minimize your app. So turn it into a bubble. You can always tap on the bubble to open your window again. By clicking on split screen view shortcut, you will open apps in split screen view, this one. And the second one you need to pick from here. And last but not least, you can click on this icon here and move all of those shortcuts to the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!